Are you looking for an easier way to manage your vacation rentals, maintenance tasks, inspections, and housekeeping? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you how to use Breezeway. Whether you're a property manager, vacation rental host, or hospitality business owner, we will help you understand how to navigate the platform, organize your properties, automate workflows, and get the most out of Breezeway's powerful property operations tools. And before we get started, if you're planning to sign up for Breezeway, be sure to use the referral link in the description below. When you sign up through our referral link and become an eligible Breezeway customer, your implementation fee will be waived, a savings of over $1,000 depending on your onboarding package. It's a great way to reduce your startup costs while getting access to Breezeway's dedicated implementation team. So, let's jump right into that tutorial and learn how to use Breezeway like a pro. One thing you'll notice right away is that Breezeway isn't just a single tool. Instead, it offers multiple platforms and features designed for different use cases, depending on how you manage your properties and operations. For example, the task scheduling helps property managers automatically assign cleaning, maintenance, and inspection tasks based on reservation dates or custom schedules, while the work coordination keeps your entire team connected in one place because managers can assign tasks, monitor progress, receive updates, and communicate with cleaners, inspectors, and maintenance staff in real time. All of the while, the checklist and apps allows you to create customized digital checklists for every task. And then you also have the maintenance software that tracks repair requests from start to finish, helping you reduce costly emergency repairs by fixing problems early. Then, the guest verification helps confirm guest identities before arrival, reducing fraud and unauthorized bookings. And of course, you also have the inventory tracking that lets you monitor all property items and supplies so that managers know exactly what needs replacing or restocking before guests arrive. And then you also have the payments, allowing business to collect money directly through the platform so everything stays organized alongside the guest reservations. Keep in mind that the insights and reporting provides detailed analytics about your operations. These reports help managers identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency. And then the smart locks allows you to have many providers that can automate the guest accesses. This eliminates the need for any physical keys because you have an automatic access codes, remote lock management, and of course, a cleaner access scheduling. And then the housekeeping software is designed specifically for cleaning teams. Managers always know which properties are guest ready, and then it is also tied in with the messaging, allowing for a centralized communication with guests, improving the overall guest experience. Meanwhile, the guide is here so that you can access information such as the Wi-Fi passwords, parking instructions, appliance instructions, reducing any repetitive guest questions. And then you also have the assist, using AI to help property managers automate guest communication and operational workflows, reducing the amount of manual work required from your team. And finally, you have the upsells, which helps property managers generate additional revenue by offering optional services. Now, guests can easily purchase these extras, creating additional income beyond the nightly booking rate. Meanwhile, the integrations allows you to connect Breezeway with other software you already use to manage your vacation rental or hospitality business. Instead of manually entering the same information into multiple systems, integrations automatically sync data between platforms. Not only that, Breezeway also offers different solutions for different use cases. Number one is going to be the vacation rental managers who oversee multiple short-term rental properties. Now, it helps automate cleaning schedules, inspections, maintenance tasks, and guest readiness, By integrating with popular property management systems, managers can ensure every property is prepared before each guest checks in while reducing manual coordination between teams. And then you also have the hotels and resorts. Breezeway streamlines housekeeping and facility operations. Staff can receive real-time task assignments, complete digital inspections, report maintenance issues instantly, and track room readiness. This helps improve operational efficiency while ensuring guests enjoy a consistently clean and well-maintained stay. And then let's not forget the cleaners and service providers. Cleaning companies and property service providers can use Breezeway to organize daily jobs, assign tasks to team members, and track progress from a mobile device. Managers can verify completed work with photos and digital checklists, making it easier to maintain quality standards and communicate with clients. Not only that, you also have the residential property managers, because Breezeway lets you stay on top of routine maintenance, inspections, and work orders across apartment buildings or any residential communities. Now, instead of relying on spreadsheets or manual reminders, the platform centralizes property operations, helping managers respond faster and keep properties in excellent condition. And then you also have the serviced apartments. Breezeway simplifies the turnover process between guests. It coordinates housekeeping, inspections, and maintenance while ensuring each apartment is guest-ready on time. This is especially valuable for businesses managing a large portfolio of furnished apartments with frequent bookings. And then you also have the corporate housing. Companies that manage corporate housing can use Breezeway to maintain consistent property standards for business travelers and long-term guests. The platform helps schedule cleanings, perform inspections, monitor maintenance, and ensure every house unit is fully prepared before new occupants arrive. And then you have the hosts. Now, even individual hosts with just a few rental properties can benefit from Breezeway. It provides an easy way to organize cleaning schedules, maintenance tasks, and properties inspections without juggling multiple apps or manual checklists. This allows hosts to deliver a more reliable guest experience while saving time on day-to-day operations. As you can see, Breezeway isn't limited to one type of business. Whether you're managing a single vacation rental or operating hundreds of properties across hotels, serviced apartments, or residential communities, the platform is designed to simplify operations, improve team coordination, and help deliver a consistently high-quality experience for every guest or resident. Not only that, Breezeway also integrates with many of the most popular property management systems and smart home platforms, allowing your data to sync automatically. Instead of manually updating reservations, guest information, or property details, Breezeway keeps everything connected in real time. This helps reduce errors, saves time, and ensures your operations run much more efficiently. Now, keep in mind, Breezeway uses custom pricing, meaning there isn't a single public price that applies to everyone. So instead, the cost depends on several factors, and please keep note that you can always use our link in the description below. By signing up through our link, your implementation fee will be completely waived, saving you over $1,000 on your setup costs. And that wraps up our beginner's guide on how to use Breezeway, which is an excellent solution for vacation rental managers, property management companies, hotels, serviced apartments, and anyone looking to streamline day-to-day property operations. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.